Hello, friends. Hope you are doing well. I hope you are about to send your passport. Now, along with your passport, you have to send the VFS Global Consent Form. Now, I'll show you what are the things you have to write in that form and what are the pages you have to print it out and write it down, and you have to send it to VFS Canada along with the passport in the envelope. Now, I'll switch to my web browser. VFS Canada Consent Form India. Now, any of the consent form that is in PDF format will work. So, if I check this one also work because the consent form is generic irrespective of the country. So, if you get any consent form for any country for VFS Canada, you can simply go ahead and print it out and sign it. Now, what are things you have to do? Now, the first page is saying mostly on the terms and conditions, so you have to get it printed. Now, the second page is having the same terms and condition. You have to print your name as per your passport, address as per your passport, telephone number. This telephone number should be consistent. Now, email address using which you have completed all your visa process. Now, the signature that you have done in your passport. Now, current date, signed at your current location, city and country. Now, the third page is only applicable if you are not sending it by yourself, if someone on behalf of you is sending it. I hope most of you are sending by yourself, so this third page is not applicable if you are not sending by yourself. Now, coming to the fourth page. Now, fourth page is something related biometric. I hope most of you have already completed the biometric. So this is saying who are not yet completed their biometric or yet to complete their biometric. So as you have already completed your biometric, so this is not for the persons who have completed their biometric. Now, so this go completes the passport submission things. Now you need this form again in the biometric. So in biometric you need this form and this one because you have not yet completed your biometric. Now there is a quick catch. This form will be sent only for the adult applicant who are 18 years old. Now you don't have to send it who are minor, that is less than 18 years. So for me, I don't have to send it for my kid who is only 3 years old. I have to send it for me and my wife. Okay, now I'll again repeat. For biometric, you have to print first page, second page, and fourth page. While sending your passport, you have to print first page, second page. That's it. Because most of us is sending their passport by their own. They are not taking any help from the others. So that's it. I hope you liked my video and the video was informative. If you like my video, please like it, subscribe my channel and comment. I will answer it immediately. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.